Service in Lake Charles has issued a special marine warning for Atchafalaya and East Coast Blanche Bays. Coastal waters from lower Atchafalaya River to intercoastal city Louisiana out 20 nautical miles, Vermilion and West Coast Blanche Bays. Waters from lower Atchafalaya River to intercoastal city Louisiana from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near West Coast Blanche Bay to near Vermilion 250, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Eugene Island 224, South Marsh Island 239, South Marsh Island 23, Eugene Island 24, South Marsh Island 69, Eugene Island 243, Eugene Island 28, South Marsh Island 40, South Marsh Island 61, Eugene Island 107, Eugene Island 129, Eugene Island 108, Eugene Island 175, Eugene Island 63, South Marsh Island 27,
Are they gonna hit the 2-minute limit?
42, Eugene Island 158, South Marsh Island 78, Eugene Island 57, and South Marsh Island 58. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. Keep caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from
ungrounded metal objects.